Hey guys, it's your girl Asia. I'm back with another video. So today's video basically is about, Valentine's Day and gifts, and you guys you want to go all out for your boyfriend or girlfriend, right? So we're gonna tell you what to do. We're gonna tell you just what to get. So the first thing that you can get for your boyfriend or girlfriend that I really recommend is a promise ring. You don't have to go to Pandora and get an expensive promise ring. You can always go on Amazon or another site like eBay to go get like some $15 promise ring. And she won't know about it. He won't know about it. You can always go on Walmart too. So that's like the first idea. Because you never know. She might be hinting that she wants one. So get her one. Jewelry works. Jewelry is still in the same category as a promise ring, but I'm going way out of the range of the promise rings. I mean necklaces, I mean another ring, and I mean a bracelet, body jewelry. Jewelry is somewhat charming to some other people. Number 2, you should get him or her an exploding box. Now I'm gonna leave right here a picture of what the exploding box looks like. I actually bought one for somebody and I'm going to be assembling it soon. I'll make a video on it, but basically the exploding box is pretty cool. It's a box that explodes. Honestly, it just opens up and you put pictures in it. You can put a promise ring in it. Okay, you can put that in it. And this is a whole bunch of stuff. It's really affectionate and I don't know other words to say for it, but it's just really something that you should get somebody that you love and care about. Number 3, you should get them customized items. If they love seeing your face and they already know that, like, they might not see you for a long time, or there's like some time where you guys basically, won't see each other for a while. There's so many situations. Get them a customized blanket with a picture of you and that person on it. Get a customized phone case. Everybody loves cases. Everybody wants to protect their phone. Everybody wants to make sure that their stuff is protected. Now there's sites for that. You can go on Shutterfly. You can go on Shutterfly and you can get stuff like that on there, or you can go on CustomInk. I'll leave those 2 and more in the description box below, so go check those out. Number 4. So for number 4, I'm saying to go get a rose bear. A rose bear is basically a bear made out of roses, and it comes like in this nice little box. I'll leave a link for that in the description box below as well, because that is a pretty nifty gift. I've never gotten that in my life, and I probably won't get that in my life. So you should get that for him or her if they like flowers, or you just want to be spontaneous and get them that. Most importantly, number 5, I would say make a handmade gift. So you can go on YouTube and look up DIYs for handmade gifts, and I swear you just might make that person cry. Or you can get somebody to make that handmade gift for you, and you can give that to that person. Like, a love letter works. It makes people cry. So you should most definitely do it. And also, if you go ahead and like get your girl some what is it? A card that you made for her or him, you'll be fine. So I'm gonna relist the things I said. Number 1, a promise ring. Number 2, an exploding box. Number 3, customized items. Number 4, jewelry. And number 5, a handmade gift. Now if you come by, oh, I forgot about the rose bear. Get a rose bear. But what I'm saying, okay. I think I did an extra video. It's whatever. I can't count. If you combine all of those together, then you just might have a crying person on your hands, and they will love you forever. Point blank. period. So go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and like, comment, subscribe if you actually love these ideas, and tell me in the link description box below if you're actually gonna do that for your boyfriend or girlfriend for Valentine's Day, because this is pretty cute, you know. So without further ado, I shall be ending this video.